Hello, I am Sabine. I am the shift supervisor for K2, Final Assembly. Only men in leading positions, so I said to myself, I will show you all. Wow!
Hi, I'm Nadine. I am in charge of quality control and of reconditioning the sweepers. I initially trained as a hairdresser before I joined Kärcher, where I retrained as an industrial mechanic.
Hi everyone, I'm Gökay and I'm part of the maintenance team at Kärcher. My master trainer was aware that I had left technical college, but it was not a problem for Kärcher because I successfully graduated from secondary school.
Hey Gökay, I'm having problems with the water pressure. Can you drop by?
For sure, they are happy to see us. We are the superheroes, so to speak. Wanna wow with us?